Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Har Har Mahadev. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Shravan Month Mahatmya, Chapter 21. A brief description of the activities to be performed on Shravan Purnima and the story of Raksha Bandhan. Sanat Kumar said, O kind one, now kindly tell me the method of Purnamashi fast because, O Swamin, those who listen to its significance will be more eager to listen. God said, O Sanat Kumar, in this Shravan month, Utsarjan and Upkarma are performed on the full moon day. The full moon day of Posh and the full moon day of Magh are for Utsarjan ritual, or the Pratipada date of Posh or the Pratipada date of Magh is prescribed for Utsarjan ritual, or the constellation named Rohini is suitable for Utsarjan ritual, or in other times also according to their respective sects. It is considered appropriate to do both Utsarjan and Upakarma together. Therefore, Utsarjan ritual is suitable on the full moon day of the Shravan month. Also, for the Rigvedis, there should be Shravan constellation for Upakarma. Rigvedis should perform Upakarma on the day of Shravan Nakshatra in Chaturdashi, Purnima or Pratipada Tithi. Yajurvedis should perform Upakarma on Purnima and Samvedis should perform Upakarma on Hasta Nakshatra. Upakarma should be performed comfortably during the setting of Venus and Jupiter, but it should not be started earlier during this period. This is the opinion of the scholars of scriptures. It should be performed only after the contaminated period of eclipse and Sankranti. Perform Upakarma on Panchami Tithi with Hasta Nakshatra or on Bhadrapad Purnima Tithi. Perform Utsaran and Upakarma according to your own Guhe Sutra. If Adhik Mas comes, it should be performed in Shuddha Mas. Both these karmas are essential. Therefore, they should be performed regularly every year. At the end of the Upakarma, if the Dvijatis are present, the woman should offer Sabha Deep in the assembly. The Acharya should accept that lamp or give it to any other Brahmin. The method of lighting the lamp is as follows. Fill a seer of wheat in a vessel of gold, silver or copper and make a lamp of wheat flour and light that lamp in it. That lamp should be filled with ghee or oil and should have 3 wicks. Offer that lamp to the Brahmin along with dakshina and betel leaves. After worshipping the lamp and the Brahmin properly, recite the following mantra. Sadakshinaha satambulaha sabhadipo yamuttamaha arpito devasya mam santu manorathaha. I have offered this excellent Sabhadeep with Dakshina and betel leaf to Dev. May my desire be fulfilled now. By offering Sabhadeep, the family gets brightened with sons and grandsons, etc., and grows with fame. The woman who does this gets the form of Devanganas in the next birth. That woman becomes fortunate and is very much loved by her husband. After doing this for 5 years, one should do Udyapan and give Dakshina with devotion according to one's capacity. O Sanat Kumar, I have told you the auspicious significance of Sabhadeep. It is told to do Shravan Karma on the same night. After that, snake sacrifice is done there. Both these acts should be done after looking at one's Griha Sutra. Haigreav's incarnation is said to have taken place on the same date. Hence, Haigreav Jayanti should be celebrated on this date. This festival is said to be celebrated daily for those who worship him. On the day of Shravan Purnima, Lord Sri Hari appeared in the form of Haigreav in Shravan Nakshatra, and first of all he sang the Samved which destroys all sins. He was born in Shravan Nakshatra at the confluence of Sindhu and Vitasta rivers. Hence, taking bath there on the day of Shravan fulfills all wishes. On that day, worship Vishnu holding the bow, discus and mace in a proper manner. After this, listen to Samgan. Worship Brahmins in every way and play and eat there with your friends and relatives. Women should do water sports to get a good husband. On that day, this festival should be celebrated in one's own country and home, and Haigreav should be worshipped and his mantra should be chanted. This mantra is like this. In the beginning, Pranav should be added, followed by the Namaha later. Bhagavate Dharmai should be added, and after that, the fourth case of the word Atma Vishodhanai should be added. Again, by using the word Namah at the end, the mantra of 18 letters Om Namo Bhagavate Dharmaye Atma Vishodhanaya Namah is formed. This mantra provides all the siddhis and is capable of proving 6 experiments. The Purushcharan of this mantra is 18 lakh or 18,000 chants. In Kali Yuga, its Purushcharan should be done by chanting 4 times more than this. By doing this, Hayagreev becomes pleased and gives the best desired result. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on this full moon day, which removes all diseases and destroys all inauspiciousness. O great sage, listen to an ancient story in this context. I am telling you what Indrani did to achieve victory for Indra. In the past, there was a war between gods and demons for 12 years. Then, seeing Indra tired, goddess Indrani said to that Surendra, O God, today is the day of Chaturdashi. Everything will be fine in the morning. I will perform Raksha Bandhan ritual by which you will become invincible. And then saying this, Indrani completed the auspicious work on the full moon day and tied a pleasant Raksha on Indra's right hand. After that, Swastayayan was performed by the Brahmins, and Indra, equipped with Raksha Bandhan, attacked the demon army and defeated them in a moment. Thus, being victorious, Indra again became powerful in all the 3 worlds. O Munishwar, I have prescribed to you the effect of Raksha Bandhan, which gives victory, happiness, and bestows a son, health, and wealth. Sanat Kumar said, O best of the gods, how is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? On which date and when? O God, kindly tell me this. O Lord, as you keep telling such wonderful things, I am not getting satisfied listening to such stories having many meanings. God said, a wise man should take a bath as per the rules of Shruti Smriti at sunrise on the full moon day of Shravan. After this, after performing evening prayers, chanting, etc. and offering oblations to the gods, sages and ancestors, make a very beautiful Raksha or Rakhi made in a golden vessel tied with golden threads, decorated with pearls, etc., made of strange and clean silken fibers, decorated with strange knots, decorated with bunches of feet and filled with snakes and unbroken rice grains. After this, place the kalash and place the full vessel on it, and again place the Raksha on it. After that, sit on a beautiful seat and engage in the dance and songs of courtesans and auspicious activities with the friends. After this, the priest should recite this mantra and perform Raksha Bandhan. Yen baddho bali raja danavendra mahabalaha ten twamnu baddhnami Raksha machal. I bind you with the same bond with which King Bali, the husband of the great powerful demons, was tied. O Raksha, do not be fickle. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras and other people should worship Brahmins with care and perform Raksha Bandhan. The one who performs Raksha Bandhan in this manner remains free from all defects and remains happy throughout the year. The person who knows the rules and performs this Raksha Bandhan ritual in the pure month of Shravan lives very happily for a year with his sons, daughters and friends. Those who perform excellent fasts should not perform Raksha Bandhan in Bhadra, because the Raksha tied in Bhadra gives opposite results. In this way, the 21st chapter titled Upakarmotsarjan Shravana Karma Sarp Bali Sabhadeep Hayagreev Jayanti Raksha Bandhan Vidhi Kathan. In the greatness of Shravan month, in Ishwar Sanat Kumar Samvad under Sri Sakand Puran is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.